came out that, El Salvador, if I may share this news with you right now, just give me a second, just to read it for you. Some of the things that they are saying here, I don't really quite understand, but just get the normal picture, the simple picture, the struggle that the cryptocurrency is still undergoing in these days. Like I was saying, when something new comes out and it challenges the present day authority, it's not gonna go as smoothly as we want it to be. As much as we are looking at the market, and we are, we see all these millionaires coming out there and forth, but there are challenges behind it all. Okay, Finch lowers El Salvador's rating to 2 Bitcoin adoption because El Salvador, the country, it's a small country, man. It's a country back deep in South America. If you don't know El Salvador, I can just even show you on the map. It's a small country, man. San Salvador, as they put it, like a small country in South America. This country, like it has been now like being charged by the fact that they have the love for Bitcoin, or showing love for Bitcoin. This is El Salvador, very small country. And now El Salvador is also inspired by the African or third world countries that are diving into the cryptocurrency space. Also, El Salvador is a third world country. It's a country that has seen alternative ways to see investment, but they are facing persecution. Right there is El Salvador, right, South America. Now, this is Guatemala, if you may put it, and then Guatemala just south, and then you go to Mexico, and then there you have the superpower, which is the United States of America, right there on the top. But they have the power. You see now, can you see the size difference? That country is such a small country. Honduras surrounded, but by the beach. But these South American countries, they have, if I should say, low GDP rates. And in this day and age, Bitcoin presents itself as an exit way, including like countries like Nigeria. But you find countries like the United States of America who are not so accepting of the cryptocurrency due to their misunderstanding or whatever reasons that they may have, and the political reasons that they may talk about from time to time. But just to share the story, El Salvador. Let me just continue on the story on El Salvador's country. And American credit ratings agency Fitch Ratings has lowered El Salvador's long-term issuer default ratings from B to triple C. I don't know what that means, to be honest with you. Mentioning policy unpredictability and the adoption of Bitcoin as legal tender. Now that's their crime, and now they are penalizing them on a financial institutional way. They are a small country in a way, as some of the factors that led to the downgrade. This is I got love for Bitcoin. If you got love for Bitcoin, these superpowers may not love you so much. That's the truth right there. Apart from these statistical ratings, organization explained that reliance on short-term debt on 800 million euro bond payment due in 20 January 2023, and high fiscal deficit get in the way of better rating for the country. So they're putting all these financial strains on the country now. Now they have debts. That country has debts, and these debts are being used against the country just because they love or they use Bitcoin as legal tender within the country itself. Very, 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 if I should say, politically unfair, if I should put it that way. Additionally, El Salvador's increased short-term debt is perceived by Finch to cripple the government's ability to pay its overall debts. You see, now they are making it harder for them to even pay their debts. They owe so much money. But anyway, the government's ability to pay its overall debts, which expands the risk of rollover with nearly $1.3 billion. Who's gonna give all of that money, man? That country is under siege, in a sense, just because they have legal tender as they have Bitcoin as legal tender. In August, September, and October, Finch mentions that financial constraints will be more difficult for the country to deal with. Wow. They are saying it on the face value, right there on your face. They're telling you, man, El Salvador, watch out. You love Bitcoin. You are the lover of Bitcoin. This is going to work against you in a sense, but those are some sad news that I've seen. But tell me, what do you think about this? Looking at it,